How's it going, y'all? My name's Alan. Welcome to Truck and Tool. Today, I'm gonna do a part 2 video. About a year ago, I released a short that showed y'all how to correctly install this center console cup holder. And in that video, I had mentioned that I was gonna secure the cup holder to the center console using self-tapping screws or double-sided Velcro. And here we are a year later, and I haven't done any of those things. I found that once you adjust the latch pin enough so you can get your lid of the center console to latch, that's more than adequate to keep things secure. And I actually like it that way because it makes it really easy to just take the cup holder out and you can utilize your bench seat, which I do on occasion. And with that, the reverse, it installs super easy. As long as you have this latch pin adjusted correctly, I haven't run into any issues with weighing this thing down too much that it doesn't work. So I'm gonna leave it how it is. It's a really versatile unit. I mentioned in the part 1 video, a bunch of folks carry this cup holder. It's Gino's Garage carries them. I know Glow Shift makes an iteration of it. But if you hop on Amazon, you can get this one right here, which I have a feeling they all come from the same manufacturer. You're just paying the parts store markups with the Glow Shift and Gino's Garage. And I like Glow Shift products and I like Gino's Garage, but I also like paying the lowest possible price for something. So hop on Amazon, grab one of these, and yeah, I hope part 1 helped, and I hope this part 2 will give you some food for thought as you do your own install. Thanks again for coming by. This is Truck and Tool. We'll see you on the next one.